What's up YouTube? Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I got my first Gofree edition earbuds, which are from SoundPEATS open ear headphones, Gofree 2 with Bluetooth version 5.3. There is a bass boost, 35 hours with ear hooks, IPX5 waterproof headset for workouts, table comfort. So at this moment these are not available in the Amazon, but time I will post a video on June 20, they will be available. They are currently available on their website under the discount $39.99. So let's dive in and see how they look like. As I told you, this is my very first Gofree earbuds. I never had one of them, so we need to, it's anything new, everything new is for me as well here. So let's remove this. Okay, there we go. Nice design. It's a Gofree 2 high-res audio wireless, VGP 2024. Here is the small information: Bluetooth version 5.3, frequency response 20 Hz to 40 kHz, maximum working distance 10 meters as usual, playtime about 9 hours, and with the case up to 35 hours. Battery capacity 60 milliampere, that is about earbuds, and 450 is charging case. So these are the other regulations from manufacturer, and we have the marking SoundPEATS. Here, your imagination. This is the slogan of SoundPEATS, and that's it. This side has a driver size 16.2 millimeters. Again, 35 hours, dual mic, noise cancellation. So let's move on and see what we get inside. And see how they look like. As you know, I have reviewed other products from SoundPEATS. Those were over-ear big headphones, and quality was nice. Everything was working very well. So I hope these ones will be the same. At first glance, we have something here. I think that is the paperwork. Let me open this. Yes, this is the user guide. As you can see, everything in English. Everything nice design with color pictures. So let's leave it there. Here we have the main earbuds. What we have inside, so there is a charging cable, type C cable, type A to type C cable. Okay, or if here is empty. So this is actually what we have in the box. So let's open it. Pretty nice feel. It has a USB Type-C charger, as I already told you. Very nice grip it is. And here is the earbuds itself. So as you can see, there is a plastic wrap for the, before you wear them, they don't get a contact with the charging case, and second one as well. So it says remove me, that is about the plastic. They are pretty lightweight, And I have never wear these ones, so I will give you the extra review after I will use them. So now let's go tell you more about this item. They are stable, comfortable, open-ear design and good design award winning in 2024. Gofree 2 upgraded version of the new shining color pear black, as you can see. Very nice. It's a bit bigger than regular cases, but that is because of the shape of the earbuds. So it supports high resolution audio with LDAC, Bluetooth 5.3, and they provide exceptional high sound quality and powerful sound with enhanced bass and noise cancelling. Extended battery life, as I was telling from the beginning, and it gives you 9 hours playback. I will test it and will post it later on. So at this moment, I think they are pretty good with IPX5 waterproof, dual device connectivity. You can use it with your PC, with your mobile phones, with tablets, whatever comes first. One of the devices will take over. They also support dual device connectivity and using the PETS audio application. That can be downloaded from the Apple Store or Play Market for the Androids. And it's an open ear, form factor open ear, and impedance is 16 ohm. So much for the moment. You can grab yours. I will leave the link below under my video from the Amazon. And this is it, guys. Stay well, stay cool. Hope you like this one. Please share and subscribe to my channel. Also share this video if you found it useful. Thank you for watching.